Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best drip coffee makers. So let's get started. Number 7. Breville Precision Brewer Thermal. Breville sent us one of these to try firsthand, and it's another drip coffee maker you simply can't go wrong with. If you like to keep things simple, there are a number of preset modes including gold uses temperature and brew time from SCA, fast, strong, iced, and cold brew. Just pick one and press a button. If you're a bit of a control freak, go nuts with controlling bloom time, water temperature, flow rate, and even your local weather forecast. Okay, you still can't control the weather, but for a drip coffee maker, this thing has a ton of options while remaining simple to use. Need to know more? Number 6. Breville BDC1050B SS Grind Control. Single-cup brewers are the second most popular after multi-cup drip coffee makers for home use. The Grind Contro has a 7.5-inch clearance, so you can choose to brew a 12-cup carafe or a single serving straight into a mug or travel mug. You can even choose between 7 size options in single-cup mode to accommodate creamer. This amazing little machine lets you choose from 8 brew strength settings and grind fresh beans right before you brew them. Switch to the pre-ground setting to use grounds from a bag. The liquid crystal display, LCD, screen shows real-time information, such as water level, grind size and time, strength selection, and brewing time. Wake up to fresh coffee with a programmable auto start that will grind beans to your liking and heat your water to an optimal temperature for brewing. Mr. Coffee 12-cup programmable coffee maker. Number 5. Mr. Coffee 12-cup programmable. If you want a drip coffee maker that looks sleek but is still easy on your wallet, get yourself Mr. Coffee's 12-cup coffee maker, also known as the CJX31. With brushed chrome accents, a digital display, and function lights, this machine looks like it's much more expensive competition. More importantly, features such as brew strength selection and a water filtration system ensure a rich-tasting cup of coffee from this little contender. Other notable features include brewing up to 24 hours in advance with delay brew setting, 2-hour automatic shutoff, fresh brew trademark timer, which displays how long your finished coffee has been on the warming plate, and pause and serve. Number 4. Black+Decker DLX1050B. This Black+Decker coffee maker proves you don't need to spend a fortune to make an excellent cup of coffee at home. It was one of the few in our test that brewed coffee hot and kept it that way for a full 2 hours. It was one of the most user-friendly models we tested. Number 3. Cuisinart DGB800. For the freshest tasting cup of coffee, the Cuisinart Grind and Brew grinds your beans immediately before brewing, or use pre-ground coffee if that's what you have on hand. It features a burr grinder, which is designed to grind coffee very evenly. The hopper holds up to half a pound of beans and features a sealed lid to help keep them fresh. In our tests, we liked how easy the water filter was to fill, from either the right or left side. It is also relatively quiet for a grinder, and grinds directly into the basket, and auto-rinses when done to help prevent clogs. Number 2. Keurig K-Classic Coffee Maker. When we tested single-serve coffee makers, this pick was the top performer. Not only did it brew the best-tasting coffee in under 1.5 minutes, but the control panel has intuitive, simple buttons and 5 drink sizes for regular, strong, or iced brews. Its 75-ounce water reservoir about 9 cups of coffee, means you won't have to keep refilling. You can also pre-program the exact time it turns on in the morning. Number 1. Breville Precision Brewer Thermal. Breville's Precision Brewer is stacked with features that allow you to fully customize your coffee, like adjustable brew temperature, bloom time, strength, and more. It has settings for making cold brew, iced coffee, or the Specialty Coffee Association's standard golden cup. It's beautifully designed thanks to its sleek brushed stainless steel exterior and LED-lit digital display.